Hey everybody, welcome back to Guns and Gadgets. It's an on-location episode this morning, real quick. Today is the Virginia Citizens Defense League's Lobby Day. They've had to change things because the anti-gunners have tried to just cancel them at every step of the way. But Phil Van Cleve and the crew have done what we've been doing in New England for a long time. For those of you who are sports fans, you're going to hate this. For 20 years, we've been doing rolling rallies in New England because City of Champions, but maybe not anymore. But it works. It's a very, very effective way of getting the message to a lot of people. So hopefully today goes off well without a bang. If you're in one of the caravans, take some photos and videos and post it and tag everybody, and VCDL included. I do know they want to do a big video project, so if you could help them with that endeavor. Also, if you're going to be at any of the capitals around the country today, be careful. I've said it before in a video, I don't put it past this being a setup in some ways, in some areas, especially in those states that are just waiting for a hiccup to go and eviscerate the Second Amendment in that state. So please be careful. Like I always say, be safe and stay vigilant. If you're going to carry a weapon, especially if you're going to be in a crowd, be very vigilant, very, very vigilant. Just don't be that person who screws up on accident because you got full of piss and vinegar, and you don't be that excuse they're waiting for. So just use your brains, and let's have a fantastic day. If you're down here and you see me, please stop me and say hi. I met a few people yesterday walking around the Capitol, and it's pretty cool to get out and actually meet you guys and gals. And it's because of you all that I continue to do this. So thank you. Seriously, tip of my hat from my family to you all for making this channel what it is. And please don't ever think it doesn't go unnoticed. Each and every day, I know how humbled, I am very humbled, and I know how special it is that I get to do this and that people actually turn something on to listen to me talk. So that's enough of the babbling and blubbery, but I'm waiting for my buddy CodaBoy32 to pick me up, and we're gonna go jump in one of the caravans here, and hope to see you all out there. And guys, gals, till we see each other again, be safe, stay vigilant, carry a weapon, and I'm going to try to shut this off without knocking over the tripod. Take care, everybody.